Alright guys, Moshbros here, Josh Mosh, and today I've been looking on the internet and this seems interesting. I don't know if I can do it, and it's probably going to be hilarious. Anyways, but I'm going to try it, but apparently I'm going to try to make a sandwich with a spoon, everything, and I don't know how I'm going to do the mustard yet because my hands are going to be handcuffed behind my back.
Alright.
This is dumb already.
You'll be alright. Alright. Have fun. Make me my favorite sandwich.
Make you your favorite sandwich,
My
huh?
favorite.
Dang it! Ah. This is hard. This is real hard. Alright. Let's get a little more bread. Here, better take this slow. Get it out. I'm sweating here. God dang it. Ow! I just freaking hit my tooth on the damn thing. Alright. Now I gotta do this damn blocking. Here. Oh.
We'll go around and get it.
Son of a. This is freaking stupid.
You gotta take the red stuff off.
Alright.
Oh! Hey!
Oh no! It was freaking stuck in my lip. This is actually pretty hard. I'm freaking sweating here. Oh, son of a.
Oh, we forgot something.
Oh no. Alright. This is actually freaking wearing me out. Oh! What the? Oh no. Alright. Whew. Oh. Hold on. I gotta freaking take a breather, boys. This is harder than it looks. Really harder than it looks. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now. This is gonna be the hard part. Aha! Now, how in the hell am I going to do the mustard? Oh, I squirted it on the damn table. I freaking hate mustard. I hate it. Yeah.
Explain your dish.
It freaking sucked. My God. That was, showing my sandwich. I made a pretty good sandwich there. But, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that because I'm freaking tired and it sucked. But, anyways, go to www.moshpros.com. Get yourself some t-shirts. Please like, share, and subscribe this, guys. Hit that bell. Get our notifications. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.